piece of advice, just understand that that you're not going to be alone through the process. It's something that's going to help you. It's going to keep you out of trouble. It's going to make sure that you're not drinking and driving, that you're not going to have any more situations with the law.
We can provide any information that you need about getting your license back, about the paperwork you're going to have to file, about what it's going to cost, and any other questions or concerns you might have.
Take a deep breath and be patient, because it is a process. Be ready to do what you got to do, but we can get through it smoothly.
Take your time, make a good decision for yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. People make mistakes, things happen. It's not the end of the world. There wouldn't be companies such as us if other people didn't make these kinds of mistakes. We're not here for judgment. We're here to help you and get you through what normally is a really difficult time for people.